How to update Google Voice app on iPhone. First of all, open the App Store on your device. In the search bar, type Google Voice and select the app to open its details page. If you see the update button next to the app, tap it to start downloading the latest version. Wait for the update to finish installing and then tap open to launch the app with the newest features. If you don't see the update button, that means your Google Voice app is already up to date with the latest version. You can also check your updates list by tapping on your profile icon in the App Store and scrolling down to see pending updates. Keeping your app updated ensures you always get the newest features, bug fixes, and security improvements for a smoother experience. Now you know how to update Google Voice app on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone and Google Voice tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.